studies related to the sender or communicator focus on understanding the attributes, intentions, and strategies of individuals or entities that produce message. These studies aim to uncover how the sender's features influence the communication's effectiveness. Let's look to the communication process from the perspective of the sender. It is undeniable that through the history, new developments have affected the role of the sender and their effects on both the message and the receiver. The control of communication has always existed. Before the invention of the printing press, various forms of social communication were already in use. Historical examples include Xenophon Anabasis and the Acta Diurna Populi Romani, established by Julius Caesar. The Acta Diurna, or daily public record, were official Roman notes, functioning as a gazette of political and social events. Published daily under the influence of Julius Caesar, this record documented official business and matters of public interest, making them one of the earliest examples of a newspaper. The Acta Diurna was instrumental in informing the public about daily occurrences in Roman society. During the medieval period, a strong oral tradition was still crucial, compounded by the low literacy rates of the time. Minstrels and troubadours play a key role in disseminating stories and news during this era. The role of manuscripts in historical communication should be thoroughly considered. Background sources include almanacs and courtal literature or popular literature. Manuscripts such as the letters of Christopher Columbus, for example, and reports from Jesuits in their evangelization efforts play a crucial role. In Italy, manuscripts were known as avvisi and fogli a mano, handwritten sheets. In France, they were referred to nouvelles à la main, while in Spain they were known as notice and relations. This early notice often linked to freight traffic and current prices, as seen in the UK, also covered curious events. Notably, they lack formal titles and regular publication schedules. The printing revolution brought significant change. It enabled that mass production of the content, reduced costs, and facilitated widespread dissemination. This period saw the creation of informative content characterized by timeliness, regularity, and advertising. Gazettes emerged as the first media to integrate these features. The revolution was closely tied to wars and produced a vast amount of information reflecting the ideas of the Reformation and the Counter-Reformation. In the 17th century, what we now consider a journal began to emerge, with publications such as Journal of Escavants and Philosophical Transactions, focused on scientific information. The emergence of newspapers played a significant role in developing public service news and information, fostering social criticism. This evolution reached this peak in the French Revolution in 1789. In England, the Daily Courant became the world's first daily newspaper. Another significant development was the creation of the Daily Universal Register, now known as the Times. It would not only pioneer market research, a forward-thinking approach that would shape the industry for years to come, but also offered a variety of sections and was published an hour earlier than its competitors, establishing itself as a key player in the field. The Times further solidified this influence by sending the first correspondent to the Napoleonic Wars. Several vital factors drove this evolution of the press. First, the Industrial Revolution. Second, the expansion of the rail transport. Then, the rise of advertising as a financial model. And at the end, the development of news agencies facilitated by telegraphy. The evolving press model in the 19th century necessitated reducing costs and increasing the speed of news dissemination, as traditional methods often result in delayed reporting. The invention of the telegraph revolutionized communication by enabling rapid transmission of news, leading to the creation of news agencies. During this time, in the United States, the newspaper industry developed with a focus on profitability. To achieve this, publishers quickly adopt advertising as a critical auxiliary tool to lower prices and increase circulation, making newspaper more accessible to a broader audience. Newspapers began to diversify their content to attract more readers. One of the pioneers of this trend was Joseph Pulitzer, who introduced a blend of information mixed with entertainment, a style now commonly referred to info-entertainment. The economic crash of 1929, known as the Great Depression, brought additional changes to the media landscape. The press experienced a sharp decline in revenue due to the economic downturn, which reduced advertising income and sales. This financial strain was compounded by the growing competition from newer, more immediate forms of media like radio and cinema, which offer a different kind of entertainment. The two world wars in the 20th century significantly transformed the media and communication landscape. During this period, new media emerged, driven by rapid technological advantage such as development of cinema, radio, and later television. These new forms of media provided dynamic and engaging ways of disseminating information, entertainment, and propaganda, and quickly gained popularity among the masses.